Good morning, children. In my previous class, I taught you about phrase. Today I am going to teach you about clause. Let's see what is clause. Clause is a group of words which is a part of a sentence and has a subject and predicate of its own. For example, we will take here, he is going to Delhi, but the train is late. You can see two sentences have been added with this linker but. These two sentences are independent or principal clause. Two independent clauses are in this sentence. Second one, he is going to Delhi, which is the capital of India. He is going to Delhi is independent clause, whereas which is the capital of India is dependent clause, because this does not stand on its own. There are two types of clause. It means first is independent or principal clause, or you may say it main clause also, and second is dependent or subordinate clause. Here we are talking about subordinate clause because about independent clause you have earlier read in compound sentence. Today I am talking about subordinate clause only. This subordinate clause has three types. First one is adverb clause. First of all, we will see what is adverb clause. Clause which works as an adverb in a sentence is called an adverb clause. For example, we will take, you may sit wherever you like. Wherever you like is saying the place where you sit. This describes the action sit. That's why this is an adverb clause. Very good. Second one is I do it because I choose it. Choose to. You can write here do also, but to is enough. I do it because I choose to. This is saying the reason of doing the thing, means doing the action. This is saying the reason of action. That's why this is an adverb clause. Now second type is adjective clause. What is adjective clause? Clause which works as an adjective in a sentence is called an adjective clause. And what is the work of an adjective? To describe noun or pronoun. Let's take some examples. First one is, he met a girl whose eyes were blue. He met a girl whose eyes were blue. Here whose eyes were blue is describing girl. Girl is a noun and that's why it works like an adjective, so it is an adjective clause. Second one is, do you know the man who is watching the movie? Who is watching the movie is describing the man. That's why it is an adjective clause. Now come to the third point, third type, noun clause. What is noun clause? Clause which works as a noun in a sentence is called a noun clause. For example, we can take, I expect that I shall win the match. This clause, that I shall win the match, is answering the question what. And remember, which answering the question what? The object. So it works like an object in this sentence. This is the work of a noun. It means it is a noun clause. Second one is, whatever you do, do with your might. Whatever you do is a clause which works as a subject in this sentence. So it is also a noun clause. Okay children, hope you understood subordinate clause and its three types. Now we will take some examples from your practice book. clause. Worksheet 3. Till 2 we have done. Read these sentences from the unit Attitude in My English Reader. Here are some sentences given for the example of clause. First one is, walls were peeled away so that remains of rooms stood gaping open. This is the question, that walls were peeled away. Why? And the answer is given in the form of clause. So that remains of rooms stood gaping open. Her fears had been lifted by what she had accomplished. She heard a very faint cry when she got back. I don't know where my courage came from. Words which are given in black letters, bold letters, you can see that in these groups, subject and predicate both are given. It means, and it is a part of a sentence also, it means a clause. Here you can see in the box, definition of a clause is given. A group of words which has a subject and a predicate and is part of a larger sentence is called a clause. Come to worksheet 4. What is given here? Look at the pictures given below. Guess the reason why each of these persons. So then complete the given sentences. One has been done for you. Rita is feeling good because her friends are coming to meet her. You can write any reason here according to your choice. Mr. Sundar is laughing because he is watching a comedy movie. Sujoy is feeling happy because he has won the match. Ridhima is angry because his sister has fought with her. Mrs. Sharma has fallen asleep because she has become tired. Mr. Rajput does not know what to do because he is confused. Srinivas is crying because he has fallen down. All the group of words beginning with because have a subject and a predicate of their own. They are therefore clauses. Okay children, hope you understood this lesson. Always remember one thing, practice makes a man perfect. So do practice for better understanding.